Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to uninstall the WooCommerce plugin from your WordPress site. This is useful if you're shutting down your online store, switching to a different e-commerce platform, or simply cleaning up plugins you no longer need. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to wordpress.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the account that has administrative access to the site where WooCommerce is installed, as you'll need full permissions to remove plugins. After logging in, look at the left navigation menu on your WordPress dashboard. You'll see an option labeled Plugins. Click on it, and an expanded menu will appear with several options. From these options, click on Installed Plugins. This will take you to a page displaying all the plugins currently installed on your WordPress site. Now, here's where things get a bit more detailed, so pay close attention. Before you can uninstall WooCommerce itself, you need to remove all plugins that are associated with it. WordPress won't let you delete WooCommerce while dependent plugins are still active, so we need to take care of those first. To make this process easier, look at the very top of your plugin list. You'll see a small checkbox in the header row. Click on this checkbox to select all plugins at once. This is a quick way to handle multiple plugins without clicking each one individually. Once all plugins are selected, locate the Bulk Actions drop-down menu at the top of the list. Click on it and select Deactivate. Then click Apply. This action will deactivate all plugins associated with WooCommerce, but not WooCommerce itself just yet. You'll need to wait a moment while WordPress processes this change. After all the associated plugins have been deactivated, click the header checkbox again to select all plugins once more. Go back to the Bulk Actions dropdown, but this time select Delete instead of Deactivate. Click Apply, and WordPress will permanently remove all those plugins from your site. Give it a few seconds to complete this process. Now, here's the key moment. Once all the associated plugins are deleted, you'll notice that the grayed out Deactivate option under WooCommerce becomes active and clickable. This means you can now proceed with removing WooCommerce itself. Click on Deactivate under the WooCommerce plugin. Wait for it to deactivate completely. Once that's done, you'll see a Delete option appear. Click on Delete and WordPress will remove WooCommerce from your site entirely. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled the WooCommerce plugin from your WordPress site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.